Take off. It's a little windier than I thought it was.
0 feet altitude, 2 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 100% battery.
So let's get a focal point first. It's not. It's pretty damn good. To get a good picture too. I'll try it, see what happens. It's kind of a weird day. It was really windy all day long. And the wind seemed to calm down when I left my house, when I got out here. You probably hear it on the microphone.
191 feet altitude, 8 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 96% battery.
We'll see what it does. It's not going to get out of range or anything, so. Not sure where it's going. I wonder if the wind's blowing it back far. That could be, yeah. Nah.
Mission ended. 300 feet altitude, 310 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 91% battery.
That thing blew it all the way across the other side of the road. So I'm just going to flap my hand down low where it's safe. It's really hard to judge my picture right now. I can't. This is going to wind up being kind of a crappy flight. It's really hard to see the screen too. I'm going to set the low level flight up because that's on here.
$104 feet altitude, 1,265 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 87% battery.
Let's see what this one does. It's going to come back. Nah, it's not going to work. Just fighting the wind.
Mission ended.
Pointless. And I really can't see the screen that well. So I don't have enough power to go freehand, fly mission.
105 feet altitude, 1,195 feet distance, 30 miles per hour, 81% battery.
Yeah, that's crazy. If I stay lower to the ground, I'll be alright. That's just that I can't let it get away from me. I've already lost 20% battery. It did not seem like it was going to be this windy when I got out here. So I'll keep it safe and close. It's doing almost 40 right here. See what happens when I come back. Gonna switch to first person flight mode.
93 feet altitude. 3,370 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 74% battery.
Let's see how I face them, get into the wind, what I'm gonna do here. It's alright. I think the wind is coming from, it's still pretty strong right there. Probably that would be the west. Because when I first sent this guy up there, he was getting pushed backwards. So, no joy. God, I really can't see the screen that good. When it's windy, the lower to the ground, the better off
49 feet altitude. 2,050 feet distance. 21 miles per hour. 67% battery.
Yeah, it's really picked up. It's crazy right now. It's been like this yesterday, the same shit. It's just been such a nasty month. Yesterday, windy all day long. Hot and humid, then it cooled off. Same shit today, windy. Yeah, there's really nothing to see out here. I fucking can't fly a mission.
159 feet altitude. 2,078 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 58% battery.
Been flying 70 minutes and I've got almost like a half battery left. Wind will do it to you. I usually don't go back over here. I don't. Is this? Over here, I mean. Let's go back here.
$253 feet altitude. 1,784 feet distance. 15 miles per hour. 50% battery.
Yeah, it's fighting the wind right now. It's a little neighborhood right behind me. It's on the other side of the tree line. I am over there. This is a little neighborhood behind the orchard.
$242 feet altitude. 1,646 feet distance. 14 miles per hour. 42% battery.
I don't think I've ever really come back here. It's really just another big field. Reception isn't too good. I'm gonna bring it back and fly local low because I don't want to get hung up in the fucking wind.
241 feet altitude. 1,401 feet distance. 35 miles per hour. 33% battery.
How many hood rats over there?
6 feet altitude. 99 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 27% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Yeah, it's a real shitty flight. Too windy. Alright, I screwed up my audio file, so I gotta finish my video with a little bit of a voiceover. And over here, yeah, there's pretty much nothing going on. I was doing the auto land. It was terrible windy, not a good day to fly at all. And it's right now, the time of night, it's like about 11:15. I just took my dog out, and it's freaking cold out and very windy. So basically all this thing does is get up to return to home altitude, 240 some odd feet. Move to the return to altitude location and then land. And I was really low on battery. I think it was at about 14%. Yeah, I boofed my file when I was transferring everything over. I accidentally deleted part of my GoPro audio. There's 2 files I mistakenly deleted. The second file, I tried to recover it with the disk tools and did not work. Spent about an hour and a half trying to get that done. It was just a waste of time. It's like, forget about it. So now it's gonna land. It kind of like was weird because it was low on battery and it really just wanted to land no matter where it was. So I kind of forced it here because it was far away. At first it started coming down like a tree, and here it just like pushed itself down like that. See that just came down, and I could have been anywhere. Could have been a problem if it was far away, but it was right there. No big deal. So, as I like to say, live to fly another day. Live to fly another day. Waiting for the end of the video to say, Dito out.